In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet for the first time. The process is simple, but you'll need to follow each step carefully to make sure your Bitcoin is sent safely. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. Tap on the Bitcoin icon near the bottom of the screen. If you don't already have Bitcoin in your Cash App balance, you'll need to buy some first. You can do that right inside the app by tapping Buy and entering the amount you want to purchase. Once you have Bitcoin in your account, scroll down a bit until you see the Send and Deposit options. Before sending, you need the Bitcoin wallet address of the person or platform you're sending it to. Open the other wallet and copy its Bitcoin address. It'll be a long string of letters and numbers. Now go back to Cash App, and on the Bitcoin screen, tap the arrow or Send option. Tap Send Bitcoin. You'll see a toggle in the middle that lets you choose to send either by Bitcoin amount or by dollar amount. For example, you can send 0.001 BTC or $50 worth of Bitcoin, whichever you prefer. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Send. On the next screen, paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Double-check the address carefully. Even one wrong letter means your Bitcoin could be lost permanently. Once you're sure it's correct, tap Next. Cash App will now show you your order details, including how much you're sending, the destination wallet, and any network fees. You'll usually see two options: standard delivery, which is free but takes a little longer, or rush delivery, which costs a small fee for faster confirmation. If you're not in a hurry, just select Standard and tap Next. Review your details one more time and tap Confirm and Send. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, fingerprint, or a PIN. Once that's done, Cash App will initiate the transaction, and your Bitcoin will start transferring to the other wallet. You can track the status of your transaction right inside Cash App under your Bitcoin Activity section. Transfers usually complete within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the Bitcoin network traffic. And that's it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet for the first time.